Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Sony ZV-E10 camera. Featuring a selfie screen that opens to the side with touch capability, 4K video recording, headphone and microphone ports, and a variety of add-on accessories to assist in video capture, including Bluetooth hand grips pictured on the box, which is sold separately. I will also cover the hand grip in a separate vlog. What attracted me most to this camera is the fact that it has interchangeable lens and it's aimed at bloggers. The Sony ZV-E10 is available either in black or white at a body-only price of £699. You can also purchase a kitted one with Sony 1650mm lens for £769. This camera was designed with bloggers in mind, from beginners to pro. You can shoot 4K videos and 24 megapixel photos. Comes with features such as background defocus, active stabilization, and product showcase features, which is perfect for product review videos. This is the power cord. And here we have another power cord for other regions and countries. Windscreen, which is attached to the windscreen adapter. This will go over the internal microphone and act as a wind noise diffuser when recording. AC adapter. Camera shoulder or neck strap. USB-C cable. Rechargeable battery pack NP-FW50, and finally here is the Sony ZV-E10 camera. Beautiful camera and feels really good to hold it finally. It weighs 343 grams, feels solid to hold and nice grippy texture on the body of the camera, and we can see there's a lens cap attached to the lens. So I'll quickly go over the basic buttons on the camera here, and perhaps I'll do a more detailed setup vlog later on. On the right is the big dial that will help you navigate easily. C1 button is for bokeh effect, which blurs the background. This is the record button with the red circle around it, which is to record your videos. Up here is the shutter button for taking photos, and around it is the zoom lever, on and off switch, which you slide to turn on or off. Mode button, this allows you to move from mode to mode, so from photo mode to video mode and SNQ mode, SNQ standing for slow and quick video mode. This is the multi-interface shoe, or the hot shoe, which you would use to attach accessories such as external microphone or flash. This is the internal microphone, and you can use the windscreen supplied with the camera to reduce wind noise picked up by the internal microphone when recording movies. At the bottom of the camera is the battery compartment, and also inside here along the side is the memory card slot. Tripod thread. On the side of the camera is a panel door which you can pop open. Here you have the USB-C port that you will use to transport all the data of the camera and also to charge the camera. Next is the micro HDMI port, which you will use to connect the camera to a monitor or TV, followed by the headphone jack. The red one up here is the microphone jack. At the back here we have a really nice large LCD screen with touch capability, which opens to the side and can rotate as well as flip for convenient viewing. And as you can see, there are many buttons with amazing features attached to them. Once I had a good play with it, I will do another video explaining the features attached to these buttons rather than rushing through today. The shoulder strap weaves through these nice big strap holes. I won't attach the shoulder strap yet, as it's easier to show the camera without it. The best part is you can use interchangeable lens, which is perfect for those of us who are beginners. In time, with experience and confidence in using the camera, we can upgrade our lens. So guys, in terms of a startup camera, I think the Sony ZV-E10 is a great option. I'll be reviewing this camera very soon, as well as covering many features and aspects of it. So please do subscribe and put your notification bell on to watch these videos. And if you found this video useful, please do give it a like so others like yourself can find it easily. I have also bought the shooting grip with wireless remote commander, which is great for blogging. Let's unbox this one now. If you are interested in any of the products I've shown in this video today, what I'll do is leave the link in the description box for you guys, so if you're interested, do check it out. The shooting grip comes with a nice drawstring storage bag, a small coin-sized battery and instruction manuals. So here is the wireless Bluetooth hand grip. It feels really good to hold it, very grippy. So there's a photo button, video recording button, custom one button, zoom, and also a lock button so that the setting doesn't accidentally get changed when you're shooting. Let's attach the wireless hand grip on the camera and see how it feels. It feels really good to hold. If you are a content creator, it's a very useful tool for shooting. In addition to this, the hand grip turns into a mini tripod, so you can put it on a surface and record, and the top can adjust as well as rotate, so you can change the angles as you wish. I've also bought spare rechargeable battery pack. The pack contains 2x FW50 rechargeable batteries, USB-C cable, and a docking station to charge the extra batteries. So I've been using my mobile phone camera for my videos. That's why I wanted to upgrade to an easy to use but good quality camera. Hence why I purchased this camera with the lens kit. In addition, I also purchased 2 spare batteries, SD card, and Sony's wireless shooting grip. Please note this camera takes standard SD size card. However, I have purchased a micro SD card which I will use with an adapter. This will allow me to use the card on my mobile phones and transfer data between the camera and my devices easily. This is the fantastic card reader I use to transfer data between my devices and still use the same card for my camera with an adapter. This is particularly useful for devices that do not support expandable storage, such as the Z Folds. If anyone's interested, I'll do a quick video showing how I use it to transfer files between my devices and the camera. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like, and a subscription would be much appreciated. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.